everyone. So I've got a build out here. I just wanted to stop real quick to record this a little bit out of sequence. This is with those new titanium colored Apex motors, 1306 or 1303.6 7777 kV motors. I've got a Beta FPV F4. This is the V2 20 amp headax ant light. This is the Radio Master 8-channel receiver. Might be moving to those more and more and more if I wanted to continue to fly FR Sky. I'm going to poke around and do some work. Look, because I'm worried that the FR Sky XM and the XM Plus and the RXSRs are going to start shipping with the new firmware, which isn't going to be compatible with the T-Lite and other non-FR Sky radios. So, might be moving away even faster from FR Sky. But to the point of this video. So I've got my smoke stopper out here. All we need to do is turn on my little screen over here, and we are going to see a problem. Something our grizzled veterans have probably seen before, but maybe some of our newer friends have not. Yes, I've got JESC on there as well. What the heck is that? That doesn't look right, does it? Veterans, I'm going to pause for a second, go down to the comment section and type your answer, and then you can move on with your day. So it's a pretty simple fix, but if you haven't seen this before, it can be confusing. All we really need to do is we're going to go into Betaflight. Let me get my USB cable out here. We're going to connect to Betaflight. We're going to go to the OSD, font manager, and I'm just going to pick, let's see, let's go with Clarity for fun. No, that's way too big. That's ridiculous. Digital? Yeah, digital will be fine. And we're going to upload a new font. Excuse me, I'm slipping over my tongue. Okay, that's done. We can unplug from Betaflight now. Turn our quad back on. Presto ole, everything is back to normal. So it's a quick fix. Happens sometimes also if you don't have battery power to your VTX. Just something with the font gets off a little bit, so just changing the font. Like if you want to go back to the default, you can now do that and it'll work just fine. You just need to upload a fresh copy, so to speak, of the font into your Betaflight configuration that's on your flight controller. So super simple fix. Hopefully that helps someone. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or otherwise, please let me know in the section down below. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.